Hey guys, so today we are going to play a game. It's called Mystery Number. So this is how you play the game. You try to see if you can figure out what my number is as quickly as possible. It's really fun to play this game with another person. If you have someone else that's living with you that can play with you, or you can just play on your own. If you'd like to pause the video after I've given each clue, you can do that. I also suggest getting a piece of paper and writing down your guesses as we go. Let's get started. So what I'm going to do is give you a few clues one at a time and see if you can guess the number that I am talking about. Clue number 1. So our first number has 3 digits. Clue number 2. The ones place is 3. Clue number 3. It has 4 in the hundreds place. Clue number 4. It has 110. What do you think my mystery number is? Let's go clue by clue. So I know it has 3 digits. So 1, 2, 3 places. The ones place is 3. Easy peasy. It has 4 in the hundreds place. Okay, so this is the ones. I know the hundreds, there's a tens between the ones place and the hundreds place. So 400, and then it has 110. So my number is 413. Did you guess it? That one was super easy, right? Let's try another one that may be a little bit more challenging. All right, mystery number 2. It is even. First clue. Number 2, there are 3 tens. Number 3, there are 4 hundreds. All right, clue number 4. The ones place digit is less than 3 and greater than 0. So we know that it is even, which means that my ones place has to be 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8. So let's come back to that ones place, because I know by the time we get to clue number 4, I think we'll be able to figure it out. Now, clue number 2 says there are 3 tens, so I'm going to put 3 in the tens place. There are 4 hundreds, so we put 4 in the hundreds place. And then it says the ones place digit is less than 3 and greater than 0. So let's think about all the numbers that would be smaller than 3, but greater than 0. So 0 can't be an answer, it's got to be greater than 0. So you got 0, 1, 2, and then we have the number 3, and it has to be less than 3. So our options can either be 1 or 2. Now in clue number 1, it says that this is an even number. So which one is even, 1 or 2? If you said 2, you are absolutely correct. Good job. Answer is 432. Mystery number 3, this one is the trickiest of them all. See what you can do with it. It has no tens. Clue number 2, it has 25 hundreds. Number 3, it is odd. Ooh. Number 4, the ones digit starts with the letter N. Fascinating. Okay. So, number 1, clue number 1 says it has no tens, and we know that 0 represents the amount of none. Then it says it has 25 hundreds. Now I know that I can't put 2 and the 5 in the same place. So what does 25 hundreds mean? Well, it's the same as saying I have 20 groups of 100 and 5 groups of 100. So I can put my 5 groups of 100 here, and then 20 groups of 100 would be 2,000. So our number is 2,500, and then it says Okay, we've got 2 clues to work with the ones place. The first clue is that it is odd, so that means it can only be a 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 in the ones place. Then, the ones digit starts with the letter N. Well, which digit, when you say the word, starts with the letter N? If you said 9, you are absolutely correct. So, our number is 2,509. Good job, guys. I hope that you enjoyed our game that we played today. There is absolutely more to come as I publish more tutorials about different concepts about place value. The more mystery number games I'm going to also post, and they will get more challenging the further we go. So let's work out our brains and see what we can learn. And the Ninja Pineapple says, kind people are my kind of people. So don't forget today to be kind.